So in this video, you'll learn how to save a project from Capcut onto your gallery. So it's fairly simple. Start by opening the project itself. And then once you finished with all the edits that you wanted to apply to that specific project, you want to tap on Export. Once you've selected Export, it will then start exporting the video. So just wait patiently for the process to complete itself. It might take a while depending on the size of the project. So just wait as the export completes itself. Ensure that you don't exit the app or close it while this process is going on. And then once it's done exporting, you can then just tap on Done. And then you'll notice that when you open the gallery app, you can see your brand new Capcut project has been saved onto your gallery. So from here, you can now choose to share. You can do some minor edits that you never managed to do on Capcut and all sorts of things, all while knowing that your project has now been saved to your phone gallery directly. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.